Trying to open up my chakras and that.
See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back.
If I look crusty, I literally just wake up. If I sound crusty, it's because I just wake up. I've had like one coffee. I'm going to go make another coffee. Today is a reset day. I got a tidying. Okay. Come, deep clean, tidying. Need to do some laundry. Need to do some organising, decluttering. Girl, we literally do everything. So, anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get into the cleaning, but I'm gonna go make a coffee first. So, let's go.
Damn.
Where did you get this from? Did you just contain the most random stuff? Like, I don't even eat chocolate donuts. So he's gonna eat all these? What is cinnamon buns? There you go. Why have we got a bag of cookie mix? So I'm gonna be making cookies today, yeah? So I'm gonna be making cookies today. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but the kitchen's already messy and it's just chucked on the side. Like, it's heavy. Like, it's actually heavy. It's a lot. But I don't think you guys are realising. It's a lot. I love coffee. I need to stop drinking coffee. These coffees, girl, they got me in chokehold. Hey, nice cafe. Sponsor girl if you want. Especially the caramel one. Let me know in the comments, when you tidy, are you a series, movies type girl, or are you strict music? Because I feel like if I've got something, like, I mean, a podcast is different unless it's a like podcast on YouTube where you're watching people, but then even then, I'm such a visual person and I get distracted quite easily. I get distracted very easily. I have to have music on, just music, background music. I can't have no shows on because I'll be in the middle of cleaning, like, you know, girl, I won't finish cleaning. I swear to God. Like, I literally won't finish cleaning. I'll get too into something, I look around, and then do you know the clean that you do when you're like 15, 16 years old and your mum's like, girl, you better clean up because we've got guests coming over. And there's always a chair. Who had the chair growing up? Listen, me and my sister had a chair in our room. It's the worst thing my mum could have gave us. Every single time she told us to tidy, it was going behind that black chair. So if you came to me and my sister's room, seen that black chair and you're thinking, oh, what they tidied up? What they tidy? Girl, we ain't tidy. I was behind that black chair. And under the bed. Look smarter? No.
Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know what you baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fistful of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, could love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you.
sure if this candle is running out. I'm probably gonna add it to one of my bags, but I'm gonna try and light it.
I had to give you. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that little shit I'm getting. Now let me blow your mind. Yeah, I had to give you. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that little shit I'm getting. Now let me blow your mind.
Drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop asking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go, Evie gon' be lasting. Jealousy, let it go, results could be tragic. Some of y'all ain't writing well, too concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle, can't walk and imagine. A lot of y'all Hollywood drama, cast it, cut.
Basically, I've got a little bag here, and I just got 2 dressing gowns in here. Obviously, everybody knows I am a at home. So, I got I got this for Christmas. And I've still got some dressing gowns. So, girl, I'm just trying to not be a hoarder. I'm trying to get rid of stuff because it's really bad. Like, I was showing you guys before. I had this, nothing in there, so we're gonna do it. Other candles, I can scrape that one. Using it, there's no scraping. This, girl, if you know, you know. They said they're gonna collect the card, the scooter, and the charger. They got the scooter. I've literally still got the card and the charger. I don't know why. Girl, they ain't coming back for it. Chuck it in the bin. Stuff's going in the bin.
Baby, look what you done started. Fuck you in the shower, for the counter we have shit. Put it on you tonight. You know that it's on time. I'm the reason you keep coming back. Girl, you fading. I'm addicted to the way you ride it when you're screaming. Trying to touch your soul when I'm all in it. Can you feel me?
Trying to open up my chakras on that.
I don't get wizards. Baby, I want you to scream. But not in a bad way. Put you to bed early. I'ma take you to a new place. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I ain't talking about a nightmare. And I've been waiting all day. So don't hold back, babe. Baby, I want you to dream. You gon' see me, baby, when I make you dream. shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always take them through for real. Come through for real. Why I always take them through for real. After this time I'll be. After this time I'll be. After this time I'll be.
I'm stopping. It's 10 o'clock. Beyonce's on. I've got banana bread.
That's shit I really shouldn't do. That's why I always take them through.
Ladies, booty bounce to this.
That's why I always take them through for real. Come through for real. Come through for real. Why I always take them through. That's why I always take them through for real. Come through for real. Come through for real. Why I always take them through for real.
Let's go. I'ma arch my back.
That's why I always take
I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back.
That's why I always take
I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back.
This time I'll be through for real. I'ma
arch my back. I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my back. I'ma arch my
But you feel so good to me. Okay, this shit is out of control. I'm driving through hell and I done brought snow. It's shining in here and I done brought gold. I hear the sirens right out the chateau. Run me the info. Tryna hear what you did, now how you came close. Cause I get bobblehead like I done made bro. I made Italian bread like I done made dough. I be all around the mile. Write a show by myself like I'm Chelsea Handler. Or write a series by my bitches like I'm Kelsey Graham. Running in the jet Jayhawk cause it's out of Kansas. You know it's more than in my talk, I'm in my Esperanza. You know it's slamming water while we gotta fill the stands up. With slaps in the anthems. Poetic justice, I got you in all my stances. Your model stances. You everything I know about it. Know about it, know about it, know about it, know about it. What we know. Where you shall go. I took the biggest boat, we stayed down for life. It's like a jingle to do them all. We too much involved to spend a single ounce of time. She was a whole ounce by doing lines. I had to leave like the leaves do trees. I'm finally home, I wiped the stress, and not just that sweat. We took them 35 to 1 like this roulette. Oh, I beg your pardon, we done lit up every set. I told the preacher I'm never finished, that's to say the least. Buy it, never lease it, but I gotta lease them. Mona type of pieces, man, gala night, Jesus. Skip it, hit the city, party pack, I got it with me. I'm shoddy while I let you with me. I'm too busy, let you ride Billy till it's empty. Gotta feel me, pockets dumb fat, and I got a skinny squad that's with me. And that's everything I know about it. Know about it, 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 know about it.
And we're done. I think this only took me until like 11, half 11, which is really good. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You can't even send these.